66 stretchers with a maximum payload of 37 tons. Reaching a maximum bank angle somewhere in the region of 60 or so degrees during this display, it can attain a maximum of 120 degrees, which we've seen demonstrated by Airbus test pilots in the past.
In Kazakhstan, and also Germany is the first user of this type to declare it operational in the air-to-air refuelling role, because the A400M can also act as a tanker. Now, hopefully, we're going to see the aircraft establishing itself in a typical airdrop configuration on the mixed pass, with the rear cargo ramp open and the door, slowing the aircraft to 150 knots.
Well, the aircraft now entirely cleaned up with the ramp and door closed. And here's a demonstration of an impressive rate of climb, 35 degrees, nose up.